All right, Chef Chocolate, what do we have here?
Sous boxes.
Yes, this is your little Sous subscription. Okay, why don't you grab the first one and let's open it and see what's inside. We got this. See, it comes with one utensil, and this one's kind of cool, actually. This is a fork and a spoon. And then they also were very generous and sent some coupons. See, this is the campfire cooking box. It is. So these are utensils that you can bring when you go camping. And they're easy to use and they connect together. Little Sous is pretty awesome because they don't just send you a utensil, they send you lots of activities, which I think is very fun. It makes the experience entertaining and educational, right, Chef Chocolate?
Yes.
See, they sent campfire foil pack fajitas, and this is a 60-minute lesson that teaches you all about how to make campfire fajitas, which I think is pretty cool. Then they also send you recipes. In this one, they sent banana boats, which is pretty nice. Hot dog spiders. Look at that. That's pretty cool, right? Hot dog spiders. And then trail mix. Trail mix is super fun, and that's an easy snack to bring when you're camping. Let's see what else they got. Oh, and this is what I was talking about with the educational part, because it's not just food related. This tells you how to build a campfire, tells you how to build a solar powered oven. That's pretty cool if you ask me. And super s'mores. Super s'mores are a staple for when you go camping. Little Sous really did a great job with this one. And Little Sous always provides stickers that are related to the box. What is that? What kind of stickers are on there?
A rabbit.
That's their signature logo, the little rabbit, right?
A hot dog.
A hot dog. Yep. And then the best part of all for most kids, I'm sure, is this lovely activity page that you can color. And they've got a word pyramid, they've got fireside funnies, they've got spot the differences, thingakabob. That sounds pretty cool. They got a lot of cool stuff in this box. What do you think, Chef Chocolate? What do you think? That was cool, right? Now we need to go camping. Thanks, Little Sous. We've got a lot of great activities to do when we go camping.